everyone. Greetings from the Millennium School 119. Welcome to our special virtual assembly hosted by Grade 6. So, folks, tighten up your seatbelts tight as we take you through the exciting journey of our assembly titled Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Thank you.
Our vision. The Millennium School is committed towards nurturing the innate potential and talent of each child to create lifelong learners who will be the leaders of tomorrow. With parents as our partners, we aspire to create global citizens who are innovative and have a strong sense of values.
Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, lead me from illusion to reality. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, lead me from ignorance to knowledge. Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya, lead me from death to immortality.
Of grade 6 will be speaking about the legacy of light. We are seekers admitting our sense of limitedness. Almighty, please answer our prayers and assist us on the path of transcendence. Lead us from darkness to light. Ignorance is the main force behind all prejudices and bias. Fighting our own ignorance takes dedication, desire, and effort. The legacy of light is our spiritual birthright to refine and shine our essence into the world. To be just like the sun, radiant and bright. Just open your eyes and take a look around. The world is vivid with light. The 7 colors of the rainbow playing a harp all across the universe. Wake up and feel the rhythm of creation cadenced by the swing of endless time, for the gift of infinite are strewn in dust.
Jayam Dehi Yashodehi
And now, a famous sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita that elaborates the importance of food. Man has to always keep trying with the thought that luck is unfavorable. He should not become lackluster, dejected, and languid, and must not remain idle. Thank you.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भुः मा ते सङ्गोत्सव कर्मणि.
In science, it is said that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. In life, karma is an action which leads to destiny. Even to sustain life, the karma of breathing has to be performed. A continuous generation of give and takes, accounts with others, is a consequence in karma. Even karma compulsorily results in merits and demerits. Let the light shine out darkness.
Science behind yoga is an ancient practice that brings together mind and body. It incorporates breathing exercises, meditation, and poses designed to encourage relaxation and reduce stress. Practicing yoga is said to come with many benefits for both mental and physical health. All these benefits have been backed by science. It is said that yoga improves posture. As we all know, working for long hours on desk could not only hurt your spine but also make you feel tired at the end of the day. And some other benefits of yoga are: it increases flexibility, builds muscle strength, boosts metabolism, helps in lowering blood sugar, increases blood flow, keeps diseases at bay, and also increases self-esteem. Thank you.
Thai Kwon Do is an art of self-defense. It is recognized as one of the oldest martial arts in the world. Taekwondo improves our muscle tone, strength, stamina, flexibility, concentration, focus, as well as leadership skills. light in every moment.
See the world with the light of your heart.
Let us shine like 1,000 suns.
বিস্তীর্ণ পারে অসংখ্য মানুষের হাহাকার শুনে নিঃশব্দে নীরবে ও গঙ্গা তুমি গঙ্গা বইছ কেন? জ্ঞানবিহীন নিরক্ষরের খাদ্যবিহীন নাগরিকের নেত্রীবিহীনতায় মন কেন?
Light the lamp within, we choose light. Millennium School Sector 119 wishes you all a very happy and safe Diwali. May the divine light of Diwali spread into your life, peace, prosperity, pleasure, and good health.